Good morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed us for work lunch. I'm giving Matt a Naked Mighty Mango little smoothie. These are the mini size, a ginger ale, and of course a water cooler. These are little sweet Hawaiian slider rolls with turkey, Swiss cheese, and mayo, and a pickle as well. I've got a fruit cup here. This is watermelon and grapes, which I have prepped for the week. And I've got an Nature Valley extra large protein salted caramel dark chocolate bar, which is pretty hefty, and then a cheese stick, and I'll show you guys what I am having next. Alright guys, here is my lunch. I'm getting ready to head out and pack everything up. I have a Coke Zero Orange Vanilla for later. Of course, my large Yeti cup with ice and water. I've got to put my ranch dressing into the container. And then these are, I made a couple of these up yesterday on Sunday when I do my meal prep. So it is a bed of romaine. It is shredded cabbage, which is the red cabbage. I have shredded carrot, black olives, I have cucumbers, I have peppers, and I have tomatoes. And then I actually had some leftover buffalo chicken, like strips or boneless buffalo wings from the weekend from a lunch we had out. So I cut them up and I used them on a couple salads for the week. So that's what I'm gonna have for my main lunch. I've got to get the lid for this obviously, but I've got watermelon and blueberries here in this cup. This is probably like a 6-ounce cup, maybe 7 ounce. And then I'm also gonna take, they are the Snyder's Braided Twist Garlic Vegetable Pretzel Sticks, like a vegetable flavor, whole grain. I'm just gonna bring these to work. I like to have stuff at work, so I'll have this. I've got a little bit of almonds left at work. I just like to have things to snack on if I need them. So I'm gonna bring those to work as well and maybe munch on a few this afternoon. So yeah, this is my lunch today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack us up for lunch. Matt is taking a ginger ale in addition to the water cooler, a big salad here, which is just like I had yesterday, but on a bigger scale. So a bed of romaine, some buffalo chicken cut up. I have got tomatoes, peppers, carrot, red cabbage, olives, some sharp cheddar cheese. And then I have the container here for some ranch dressing. I'm also giving him an uncured salami and cheddar by the Hormel Natural Choice, and I might throw in like a banana or some kind of fruit as well, but this is a definitely hearty portion. And then I'm going to be taking a mandarin orange clear American drink, and of course my water cup and my coffee. I've got leftovers from last night, so I've got some rice on the bottom, grilled chicken breast, which was marinated in the Baja McCormick marinade, sliced up on top, and then some grilled veggies, asparagus, baby bella mushrooms, and tomatoes. Perfect just to heat up in this glass container. And this, I'm also going to have this mixed berry Yoplait yogurt, and then some of this Nature Valley crunchy granola oats and honey. And these are like the clusters. Hopefully you can see. So they're big clusters, and I'll just put them right in here and be able to have that. I don't like to mix the two because then the granola gets soggy. But anyways, this is what we're having for lunch today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack us up for work. I'm giving Matt a Gatorade raspberry lemonade, a mini mango smoothie, and of course the water cooler. I did some leftovers for us today since Matt is working at a location where he can heat up food. So last night I made the Pioneer Woman recipe Sloppy Joe. I love that recipe. I've been trying to make it like every 6 weeks because we really love it. So I have Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe, 2 little slider buns. These are the Pepperidge Farm sliders. So he can just scoop it onto here and heat it up, and whatever is left he can just eat the filling. I gave him a large pickle spear and one of these Hormel Natural Choice. This is turkey, cheddar, and dark chocolate covered pretzels. I'm also giving him a fruit cup. So this has watermelon, strawberries, and blueberries. I am having the same main entree, the Sloppy Joe and the rolls. I'm taking a peach diet Snapple. I have my water cup at work, and I'm about to make my coffee before I head out. I have the same fruit cup as Matt, and I'm also taking a Yoplait Cherry Orchard yogurt with some of this Nature Valley big crunchy oats and honey granola. This is really good, guys. I've just been even snacking on it right out of the bag. So I just put this right in the yogurt cup and eat it together. That's just how I prefer to eat my yogurt. But anyways, this is our lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and I'm getting ready to pack us up for work. I'm giving Matt a mango Snapple tea, a ginger ale, and then he has this water cooler. We both have the same salad today, so I just did a bed of romaine. I did some peppers, some cucumber, some tomato, some broccoli, shredded carrot, shredded red cabbage. This is cut up like mesquite turkey from Aldi. I did a little bit of avocado. Matt's not the hugest fan of it, but he's becoming more like open-minded to it. So I put avocado on his. I don't know if I said shredded cheese, but his has sharp shredded cheese and mine doesn't. That's really the only difference, except I have a lot more avocado since I really like avocado. So today for the salads, we're gonna have this Marzetti balsamic vinaigrette. I just have it out, and then I have our containers ready to fill up. I do about half of this container, and this is a really tasty balsamic vinaigrette. We both have green grapes. I washed them right when I got home from Aldi and then just put them in the fridge, and they're ready to bag up. And then this is like a spicy salami from Aldi as well. So we both have that. A fork. Same thing here for me, except I have a diet Snapple peach tea and then my water, obviously. And that is our lunch for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Hey guys, good morning. It is Friday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work lunch. I am off today, and I'm actually probably gonna have the same thing because I made some quiche last night. It has ham from Easter. I actually had frozen it on Easter that my mom made and thawed it out, cut it up, and I added broccoli, baby bella mushrooms, some onion, some tomato, some sharp cheddar, and seasonings, and these are just the leftovers from it, so I'll have the same thing later at home. So I'm giving Matt a raspberry lemonade, one of these Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonades. I got a case of them the other day. The quiche with a fork because he has access to heat it up. I've got some cut up strawberries and some of these Cheez-It snapped crackers. This is the cheddar sour cream flavor, I believe, and I might throw in a granola bar, but that is what he's having for lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunch. I have a whole playlist of these linked down below in the description box. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.